My name's Trevor. I'm 38, and I'm a cat trainer.
Is a cat, do you call the cat out?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
So they say, okay, let's see what your act is.
And I'll say, great, and I'm gonna get down small and say, Lucky, come. I've been training cats for about 15 years. I learned it from my family. We grew up on a farm, and my dad was a cat trainer.
A Latte Dogs, the dog act, won the show last year.
You know, we're hoping a cat wins this year. It is difficult to train a cat, but that's what I've been doing for years, so it almost comes second nature to me.
All right, go get him, Trevor.
How you doing? Hello.
Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Great to have you here. What's your name?
My name is Trevor Stone.
Welcome, and what is it you do?
I'm a professional cat trainer. I've been training cats for many, many years.
Now, that's something. All right, so let's see what you have.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lucky, come here. Come here. Here. Good.
It's a big cat.
You ready to show America what you got? All right. Can we please cue the music?
Hit it.
Lucky. Here.
That's not well trained.
That's it?
Use the litter box.
Thank you.
Don't touch it.
Just grab it. Yeah.
What are you, nuts?
We've lost control.
Oh.
Hello, boys and girls of YouTube. Click below to watch more. You're gonna love it.